Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ram 1500. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 187,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.